Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to make bread egg sticks. We are taking like three slices of bread and two medium sized eggs and this like chopped green chili and curry leaves and chopped ginger and garlic and chili powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala and garam masala powder. So first take the bread slices and cut the edges like this. So now we are going to make this bread egg sticks with only the edges. So this part usually we can use to make yummy samosas or else cutlets like this. So this I am going to show you on the next videos how to prepare like yummy samosas with the bread. So like this even size we should cut and we should keep like this. Like this we can cut into different sizes. If you want bigger sticks you can prepare like this, or else you can cut into half and you can prepare like small cute egg sticks like this. So now we are going to prepare batter for the sticks. So just beat the eggs. First just like this. So first beat the yolk and egg white like this, and now like you can add like chopped green chilies. So how much spicy you want you can add. I usually take one large green chili, and so chopped curry leaves. Actually this is optional, but this will taste better. And like chopped ginger and chopped garlic. And for this so we can add just a pinch of turmeric powder and like Kashmiri chili powder, like 2 pinches of Kashmiri chili powder because we already added one green chili, and chaat masala to get better taste, and for garam masala a pinch of garam masala for nice aroma smell. And mix. So add pinch of salt to it and whisk nicely. Take bread sticks and like dip into this batter and put it into oil. So just dip into this batter and put it into oil. See, now it came golden yellow color. No? Now we can take it out and we can serve in a serving plate. Crunchy yummy bread egg sticks are ready. Now bread egg sticks are ready, so we can dip in chocolate sauce or whatever you wish. Okay, so you can dip in like tomato sauce or mayonnaise or whatever you wish. So I like this chocolate sauce with this bread egg sticks, so I'm taking with chocolate sauce.
It's been always amazing and fun to make such a great cooking videos for you guys, but there has been also a tons of efforts in the behind the scenes, so we appreciate your like and subscription to the channel. So go ahead, please like and subscribe and share this video to everyone.